What's in there? What is it?
Buzz!
What else is in there?
Mama, Buzz!
SpongeBob. What else? Open it.
Mama!
Let me see. Hold it up.
Dada!
Yes?
Mama!
Yeah, like this. See?
Dada!
Oh, Cedric. Eating. The box.
Ah. Ah.
Dada!
Ah.
Dada! A box!
What else?
Dada!
Go on.
No, we're not going to open that. What else is in there? Oh, this says to Zachary. Happy Easter, love, Tita Tracy. You want to open that?
Yeah. Mama,
Here, let me kiss the paper.
Mama, baby.
Yeah. Stop eating the box, Cedric. Come on, open your gift there. The one that Tracy gave you. There, right there. Open that.
Yep.
Yeah, open it.
Yeah.
Yeah, open.
Mama,
What is it?
bye.
What?
That's Mama up. Ma.
What is it?
Ma.
Let me see. Show me.
Ma.
It's like this. Ooh, it's a mouse. You're right. Stop eating paper, Cedric. What else is there? What's that?
Mama.
What is it? The shirt? Who is it? Let's see. Elmo, the heroes. What is? Oh, Easter Bunny rabbit ears. Nice. Nice. What else? More clothes?
Clothes. More clothes.
What's that? For eggs. Yeah.
What about this? What's this?
A duck? I think that's for Cedric. An egg. What's that? Who's that for? Is there a name?
Mama, baby.
Oh, it's your baby? What else is in there?
Oh, there's ears for Cedric too.
Cedric!
Cedric, look at Mama. Look at Mama.
Mama is.
Yeah, nice.
Mama is.
Cedric!
Who?
Cedric! Oh, those are nice.
Mama.
What else is in there? More
Oh,
clothes, pajamas. Wow, nice. What's that?
Fish. Mama, fish.
An egg. Oh, yeah, that's Patrick.
Cedric, stop eating.